Today we discuss about errors, which is the important part of units and measurements. Errors means, what is the meaning of errors? The uncertainty in measurements are called errors, or another definition, it can also be defined as the difference between the measured value and true value of an experiment. Difference between the measured value and true value of an experiment. For example, the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth is 9.8 meter per second square, but its measured value or experimental value is 9.9 meter per second square. So difference between them is 9.9 minus 9.8 is equal to 0.1. That is called the error. Then next, types of errors. How many types of errors are there? Errors can be divided into 6 types. What are they? Now first one is constant error, second one is systematic error, and third one is random errors, fourth one is absolute error, fifth one is relative and percentage error, and sixth one is gross error. There are 6 types of errors. Okay. First, then we discuss about the first types, that is called the constant error. That is called the constant error. Constant error means the errors which repeats itself. The errors which repeats itself in series of observations. Constant errors. An error is said to be constant if it repeats itself in series of observations. That means the error which is always constant everywhere. Its value is like, let 0.1. So every reading, every experiment, in every measurements, the error will coming 0.1, 0.1. So therefore it is called the constant errors. Next one is systematic error. Systematic errors. Some errors come into existence due to definite rule are called systematic errors. That means, for an example, slide calipers or vernier calipers, it consists of 2 scales. One is main scale, another is vernier scale. So first we loose the screw, then contact the 2 judge means the main scale jaw and upper scale jaw. If the 2 zeros of main scale and zeros of vernier scale coincide with each other, there is no error. That is errorless instrument. Okay. Next one is random errors. That means the errors which are coming in random manner, irregular manner, haphazardly manner, and there is no systematic cause. They are called the random errors. Some errors come into existence in random manner in random manner cannot be associated with systematic cause. Are called random errors. Are called random errors. Random errors having mathematical formula. Mathematically, if x1, x2, x3 xn be the readings of nth observations, be the reading of nth observation. Therefore, true value or actual value or average value of an experiment is x bar, read as x bar equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus xn by n. This is called the average value or true value or actual value of an experiment. X1, what is x1? The x1 is the reading of the first observation, second observation, like this. Okay, or it can be written as x bar equal to 1 by n summation of xi, where I equal to 1 to n, This is called the mathematical expression of random errors. Next type is fourth type, that is called the absolute errors. Next one is absolute errors. It is defined as the difference between measured value and true value of an experiment. It having also mathematical formula. उसका formula mathematically क्या होगा? If x1 equal to reading of first observation and x bar equal to actual value of measurement, therefore absolute error in first observation is delta x1. Delta x1 stand for the absolute error in first observation, equal to x1 minus x bar. x1 is the measured value and x bar is the true value or actual value. The difference between them is called the absolute error. What is delta x1? And delta x1 is the absolute error in first observation, is equal to x1 minus x bar. Similarly, delta x2. Delta x2 means absolute error in second observation equal to क्या होगा x2 minus x bar equal to x2 minus x bar. x2 minus x bar. Okay. Dot 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 delta xn means absolute error in nth observation is equal to xn minus x bar. Delta x1 stand for absolute error in nth observation is equal to xn minus x bar. xn is the reading of the nth observation and x bar is the actual value. The difference between them is called the delta xn. Therefore average value of absolute error is delta x bar is equal to delta x1 plus delta x2 plus delta x3 plus delta xn by n, or it can be also written as in statistical, or delta x bar equal to 1 by n summation of delta xi where I equal to 1 to n. This is the statistical formula of absolute error. It can be read as delta x bar equal to 1 by n summation of delta xi where I equal to 1 to n. This is called the absolute error. Okay. Next type, fifth type, that is called the relative and percentage error. Relative and percentage errors. First we discuss about relative error. Relative errors. It is defined as the ratio between average value of absolute error to the true value of measurements. Mathematically, del xr, symbol of relative error, del xr, read as del xr equal to delta x bar by x bar. What is delta x bar? The average value of absolute error. X bar is the true value of measurement, actual value of measurement. Ratio between them is called the relative error. Relative error is the ratio between average value of absolute error and to the true value of measurement. Okay. Next one is percentage error. It is equal to the product of relative error and 100. Percentage error is equal to the relative error into 100. Symbol of percentage error is del xp. Del xp equal to del xr into 100, or delta x bar by x bar into 100. That means when 100 is multiplied with the relative error, it becomes percentage error. And finally last one is gross error. Gross error means totally mistake. Gross error means totally mistake. Finally, number 6 type of error is, that is called the gross errors. Gross errors. Some errors come into existence due to negligence of the observer due to negligence of the observer are called gross errors. This error termed as mistake. This error termed as mistake. It is totally depend upon the person or student which is doing this experiment. Right? Okay. There are 6 types of errors. What are they? Now, first one is constant error, second one is systematic error, third one is random errors, fourth one is absolute error, fifth one is percentage and relative error, and last one is gross error. These are the types of errors. Next class discuss about the combination of errors. How errors are multiplied, how errors are divided, how errors are subtracted, and how errors are edited. Addition of errors, subtraction of errors, division of errors, and multiplication of errors. Okay, bye.